Hello students, this is Pratibha Singh, your English teacher from Shivrat Singh Children Academy. Students, today we will read determiner from our grammar section. Have a look the definition of determiner. Determiner. A determiner is a word. A determiner is a word or a group of word. It can be a group of word also, a group of words. It can be a word or a group of word which comes before a noun. Before a noun. Do you know noun na? Name of person, place, animal or thing. Means a determiner will come before a name of person, a name of place, a name of thing, animal, etc. To indicate which thing we are referring to. We are referring to. For example, have a look some example. For example, a boy. Some mangoes. Little money. etc. Have a look the definition again. A determiner is a word or group of word which comes before a noun. So here boy is noun and your determiner will come before a noun. Mango noun and some is determiner. Money noun and little is determiner. Have a look the kinds of determiner. Let's come to know about the kinds of determiner, and then after we will learn all the kinds of determiner in detail. So have a look kinds of determiner. Kinds of determiners. First is article. A, N, the are the parts of article. Second one, demonstrative. This, that, these and those. This, that, these, those are demonstrative. Third one is possessive. Possessives. His, her, my, yours, etc. Now fourth one is quantifiers. 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 Have a look the examples of quantifiers. Some, any, little, few, several, etc. Number 5 is interrogative. Interrogatives. What, whose, which are the examples of interrogative demonstrative. Now last one is exclamatory. Exclamatory demonstratives are what, such, etc. Now these are the kinds of determiner. Articles a and the, demonstrative this, that, these, those, possessive his, her, mine, yours, etc. Quantifier some, any, little, few, several, etc. Interrogatives what, whose, which, and last is exclamatory what, such, etc. Now we will read our first kind of determiner article in detail. Now we will read our first kind of article. Now we will learn about article. Have a look about article. Articles. Articles is divided in two parts. First is indefinite article. Indefinite. And second one is definite article. A and are indefinite article and the is definite article. Now have a look about indefinite article. Indefinite article. Indefinite article. A and N. A and N are indefinite article. Now have a look the use of A and N. A is used before, do you know now? All the determiners used before the noun word. A is used before consonant sound word. A is used before consonant sound word. I am not saying about consonant word. It will be used before consonant sound word. Have a look the consonant and vowel. Do you know na bobble, about bobble? Bobble. A, E, I, O, U are our vowels, and rest of the letters are consonant. Consonant means A is vowel, B, C, D, E is vowel, F, G, H, I is vowel, J, K, L, M, N, O is vowel, P, Q, R, S, T, U is vowel, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are consonant, and A, E, I, O, U are vowel. Means we will use A before consonant sound word. Means which letters, which words will come before these letters. N is used before vowel sound words. A is used before consonant sound word, and N is used before vowel sound word. Now have a look some example. For example, box. So what will become? A or N? A, box. Onion. So we will use here an onion. Egg. An egg. House. A house. I hope you have understand about the use of A and N. Now we will learn about the use of the definite article the. Use of definite article. What is definite article? The. The first use is the definite article. The definite article the is used before a noun. You know very well, determiner used before a noun. The definite article the is used before a noun which is only one. For example, the sun. You know very well, there is only one sun in universe. The South Pole. The moon, etc. Have a look again. The definite article the is used before a noun. It will be used before a noun, which is only one in universe: the sun, the south pole, the moon, the earth, etc. Now have a look second use of the. Now second use of definite article the is, it is used before superlative degree. Superlative degree. Do you know the comparison of adjective? There are 3 degrees in comparison of adjective: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So the definite article the is used before superlative degree. Have a look some examples. For example, he is the tallest boy in the class. He is the tallest boy in the class. Here tallest is superlative degree and definite article the is used just before our superlative degree. Now second, Maria is the most beautiful girl in the party. So find out superlative degree in this sentence. The most beautiful, and just before the superlative degree we will write definite article the. I hope you have understand very well. Now use number 3. It is used before a singular noun. Which represent whole class, whole group. Represent whole group, whole class. For example, the cow is a domestic animal. It is used, have a look this use of the. It is used before a singular noun. सिंगुलर नाउन विच रिप्रेजेंट होल क्लास, होल क्लास जो पूरी जाति की बात कर रहा हो, उस ग्रुप की बात कर रहा हो, उसे हम वहाँ द लगाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द काउ इज अ डोमेस्टिक एनिमल. हियर काउ रिप्रेजेंट द होल क्लास, मीन्स काउ एक डोमेस्टिक एनिमल है, तो यहाँ पे सिंगुलर के साथ जो द यूज हो रहा है, तो इसमें वो पूरी अपनी जाति के बारे में बता रही है, पूरे अपने समूह के बारे में बता रही है कि जो काऊ होती है वो एक डोमेस्टिक एनिमल है. मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल द फॉक्स इज अ क्लेवर एनिमल. Here this fox is represent the whole class, means the foxes are clever. यहाँ पे जो fox की बात हो रही है वो पूरी अपनी क्लास की, पूरी अपनी जाति या समूह की बात कर रहा है, तो वहाँ उससे पहले हम क्या लगाएंगे, द लगाएंगे. Number 5. It is used before the name of oceans, seas, rivers, famous buildings, etc. Means the is used before the name of ocean, seas, rivers, famous buildings, etc. Means for example, the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Ganga, the Taj Mahal. Means we will use definite article the before the name of seas, ocean, rivers, famous buildings, name of famous newspaper, etc. Now next use number 6. It is means definite article the. It is used before the name of musical instrument. It is used before the name of musical instrument. For example, he was playing the flute. He was playing the flute. She bought the guitar. Means it is used before the name of musical instrument. Now, seventh use. Now number 6, 7. It is means definite article. The is used before a noun which represent one particular person. Or class. One particular person or class. For example, I met the teacher. Here we are talking about a particular teacher. That's why we have used here the. He saw the tiger. Here he saw a particular tiger. That's why here we will use the.